Good morning, students. First year maths topic trigonometric ratios up to transformations. Subtopic trigonometric ratios of compound angles. In the previous class, we will discuss compound angle form problems depend on compound angle formulas. Okay. Today first problem is express root 3 sin theta plus cos theta as a sine of an angle. Okay, we can express root 3 sin theta plus cos theta as a sine of an angle. Then ఇచ్చినటువంటి ఈ టోటల్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ని సైన్ లోకి చేంజ్ చేయమంటున్నాను. సైన్ ఆఫ్ an angle లోకి చేంజ్ చేయమంటున్నాను. సైన్ ఆఫ్ an angle మీన్ సైన్ ఆఫ్ ఐదర్ a ప్లస్ b ఆర్ a మైనస్ b, ఏదైనా ఒక ఫామ్ లోకి చేంజ్ చేయమన్నాను. సో టోటల్ ఇందులో ఉన్నటువంటి టర్మ్స్ మొత్తాన్ని కూడా సైన్ యాంగిల్ లోకి చేంజ్ చేయమంటున్నాను. ఓకే, here what is the given expression? root 3 sin theta plus cos theta is equal to given expression okay, root 3 sin theta plus cos theta is equal to, so this expression comparing with a sin theta plus b cos theta. So here what is the value of root a square plus b square? Root of a square root 3 square, 3 plus 1, that equal root 4. Root 4 mean 2. So the total expression multiplying and dividing with 2. 2 by 2 of root 3 sin theta plus cos theta. So the dividing 2, multiplying each and every term, 2 of root 3 by 2 sin theta plus 1 by 2 cos theta. In sign of angle, sin cos sin. So here sin term, so this term can be changed in terms of cos. So 2 of root 3 by 2 can be written as cos. For which value root 3 by 2? Cos 30 or 60? Cos 30 degrees into sin theta plus 1 by 2 sin 30 into cos theta. So 2 of sin A cos B plus cos A sin B can be written as sin of A plus B. So 2 sin of theta plus 30 degrees. So the total expression root 3 sin theta plus cos theta can be expressed as only sin terms. Okay, first ఇచ్చినటువంటి ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ని a sin theta plus b cos theta తో కంపేర్ చేస్తూ రూట్ a స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ b స్క్వేర్ తోటి మల్టిప్లై చేస్తూ డివైడ్ చేస్తున్నాం. డివైడ్ చేసినటువంటి టర్మ్ ని ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ టర్మ్ కి మల్టిప్లై చేస్తున్నాం. మనకు సైన్ లో చేంజ్ చేయమంటున్నాడు కాబట్టి సైన్ లో అంటే ఏంటి, సైన్ కాస్ సైన్ లో చేంజ్ చేయాలి. సో ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ సైన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి రూట్ 3 by 2 ని కాస్ లో చేంజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. కాస్ 30, 1 by 2 ని సైన్ లో చేంజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఇది సైన్ ఆఫ్ a ప్లస్ b ఫామ్ లో ఉంది కాబట్టి సైన్ ఆఫ్ a is a theta, b is a 30 degrees. Okay students, note that one. Okay, completed. Try to the next one. Next problem. Express root 3 cos 25 plus sin 25 by 2 as a sine of an angle. So ఈ total expression లోకి sine of an angle లో చేంజ్ చేయమంటున్నాము. Okay, listen here. So root 3 cos 25 degrees plus sine 25 degrees by 2. So the denominator can be divided in the numerator terms. Root 3 by 2 sine cos 25 plus 1 by 2 sine 25. So as a sine of an angle mean, in sine of an angle, one sine term, cos term, sine term. So here cos term. So root 3 by 2 can be written in terms of sine. Root 3 by 2 sine which angle value? Sine 60 degrees into cos 25 degrees plus 1 by 2 cos 60 degrees into sine 25. So sin A cos B plus cos A sin B can be written as sin of A plus B. So the total term is in the form of sin A cos B plus cos A sin B can be written as sin of A plus B mean 60 plus 25. Sin of 60 plus 25 mean 85 degrees. Okay, understand? Okay, note that one. Okay, completed. Right on the next one. Tan theta in terms of tan alpha, if sin of theta plus alpha is equal to cos of theta plus alpha. Okay, tan theta in terms of tan alpha, if sin of theta plus alpha is equal cos of theta plus alpha. So tan theta terms మొత్తాన్ని కూడా tan theta is equal ఎందులో అప్లై చేయమంటున్నాడు? tan alpha terms లోకి ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయమంటున్నాడు by using sin of theta plus alpha is equal cos of theta plus alpha. Okay, listen here. Given that sin of theta plus alpha is equal cos of theta plus alpha. So the total condition dividing on both sides with cos of theta plus alpha is equal cos of theta plus alpha by cos of theta plus alpha. So sin by cos can be written as tan. Tan of theta plus alpha is equal 1. On the left side term, by using compound angle, tan of a plus b can be written as tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b is equal to 1. On the right side, denominator can move from right, left side denominator can move from right. Tan theta plus tan alpha is equal to 1 minus tan theta into tan alpha. So we can write only, we can express tan theta terms in terms of only tan alpha. So right side tan theta term can move from left, left side tan alpha can move from right. We get tan theta plus tan theta into tan alpha is equal to 1 minus tan alpha. On the right side, which term is common term? We can take tan theta is common term. Tan theta of 1 plus tan alpha is equal 1 minus tan alpha. On the left side, 1 plus tan alpha can move from right. We get tan theta is equal to 1 minus tan alpha by 1 plus tan alpha. So finally, tan theta in terms of tan alpha by using sin of theta plus alpha is equal cos of theta plus alpha. Okay, understand? Note that one.
Ciao. WhatsApp links పంపిస్తున్నా మీరైతే అసలు కంట్రోల్ చేయొచ్చు
They completed. Get on the next problem. Okay. Next problem. What is the value of tan 20 degrees plus tan 40 degrees plus root 3 into tan 20 into tan 40? For what value of tan 20 degrees plus tan 40 degrees plus root 3 into tan 20 into tan 40? Okay. So finally దాని యొక్క వాల్యూ ఏంటో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటున్నాను. ఓకే, So here we don't know value of tan 20 degrees and tan 40 degrees values. ఓకే వీటి యొక్క వాల్యూస్ కనుక ఐడియా ఉంటే సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి సింప్లిఫై చేసి టోటల్ వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. సో హియర్ బట్ వి డోంట్ నో వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ tan 20 and tan 40. But in this problem there are how many angles are there? Two angles are there. What are there? 20 degrees and 40 degrees. For these two angles we can write by using compound angle 20 degrees plus 40 degrees is equal to 60 degrees. We know that. We know that 20 degrees plus 40 degrees is equal 60 degrees. Now we can applying on both sides tan of 20 degrees plus 40 degrees is equal tan 60 degrees. On the left side term is in the form of tan of a plus b. Applying a tan of a plus b. What is the formula of tan of a plus b? Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b is equal to, on the right side tan 60 value. We know the value of tan 60. What is the value of tan 60? Root 3. On the left side denominator can move from right. We can write, we get tan 20 plus tan 40 is equal to root 3 of 1 minus tan 20 into tan 40. So tan 20 plus tan 40 is equal to root 3 of 1, root 3 minus root 3 into tan 20 into tan 40. On the right side negative term can move from left. We get tan 20 degrees plus tan 40 degrees plus root 3 into tan 20 into tan 40 is equal to root 3. So finally what is the value of tan 20 plus tan 40 plus root 3 tan 20 tan 40 value is root 3. Okay, understand? Okay, note that one. Okay, completed. Try to the next one. Prove that tan 72 degrees is equal to tan 18 degrees plus 2 into tan 54 degrees. Prove that tan 72 degrees is equal tan 18 degrees plus 2 into tan 54 degrees. Okay. In this problem there are three angles are there. What are they? 72 degrees, 18 degrees, 54 degrees. For these three angles we can write we know that 72 degrees is equal to 18 degrees plus 54 degrees. Applying on both sides, tan 72 degrees is equal to tan 72 degrees is equal to tan of 18 degrees plus 54 degrees. So tan 72 degrees is equal to tan of a plus b, mean tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. On the right side, denominator can move from left. Tan 72 of 1 minus tan 18 into tan 54 is equal to tan 18 plus tan 54 degrees. Left side there are two terms, are there, product of the two terms we get tan 72 into 1, tan 72 minus tan 72 into tan 18 into tan 54 is equal to right side terms tan 18 plus tan 54. Tan 72 minus tan 18, 72 can be written as 90 minus 18 into tan 18 into tan 54 is equal to tan 18 plus tan 54. Tan 72 minus tan of 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta is in which coordinate? First coordinate. In the first one all are positive. 90 minus odd multiple. Angular in odd multiple, tan will be changed. Cot 18 into tan 18 into tan 54 is equal to tan 18 plus tan 54. So cot theta into tan theta by the multiplicative trigonometric identities. Tan theta into cot theta 1. So tan 72 minus tan 54 is equal to tan 18 plus tan 54. On the left side, minus term can move from right. We get tan 72 is equal to tan 18 plus tan 54 plus tan 54. Tan 72 is equal to tan 18 plus tan 54 plus tan 54 to tan 54 degrees. So finally we can prove tan 72 is equal tan 18 plus 2 tan 54 degrees. Okay students? Okay, the remaining problems will be continued in the next class. Have a nice day. Thank you. Everyone note this one. Thank you.